If you want to know how can you turn on or off the AirPlay on your iPhone, today in this video I will show you exactly how. Now to access the AirPlay we need to swipe down from the top of the screen to access the control panel, and then from there we tap on this little icon in the top right. Then from here you can switch between the devices that you want to AirPlay to just right here. That means the AirPlay is on. If you want to turn it off, I'll show you exactly how. Now go back to the main screen on your iPhone and then find settings. So go ahead and open settings, and then from here you need to tap on general right there. So go ahead and open general, then from here tap on AirPlay and hand off. Now tap on automatically AirPlay to TVs in the top right there. It will take you to this screen right here. From here you need to change the settings from automatic to never, or to ask if you want your iPhone to ask you for permission before AirPlay into any device. I'm gonna set it to never. That means the AirPlay is off currently. You can turn it on whenever you want. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.